Boys and girls, welcome to part 2 of the sim racing cockpit build. My name is Reynolds. Welcome to the channel where we build, film and edit videos all by ourselves. Thank you so much for checking part 1. Now in part 2 we'll be finishing the project we started. If you haven't checked it out, I'll be linking it up here. Starting with the carpet choice, instead of traditionally grey or black carpet, this one caught my eye since I was making a Honda cockpit. Most of all, if not all, Type R cars have red carpet, so I said take my money and give me the red one. Starting by doing the pedals first, all I needed is this nail stick glue and a brush and some wooden screws. As this cockpit doesn't need to win the beauty contest, I just went and glued the red carpet to it. I'm not experienced in any of this, I've never worked with carpet before, let alone shaping it around the base, but in the end it turned out really good. I was using the screws for security in case the glue didn't stick to the material. It just keeps it there until the glue dries up. You can take it off eventually. Another trick to use so you don't wait the glue to dry. Anyway, it's on the bottom side. Shape it around the base to your liking. Use a couple of more screws to help you out. Bolted the pedals into place and off to the next part. And just like that, it looks great. Now we start to pour the glue on the base. Since everything is done, measured and checked how it will look like. It didn't took much effort, just pour the glue on the both of the planks and the carpet for a better contact. It makes the rough surface of the planks smooth and nice. When it comes to cutting the carpet, I was hesitating if I should cut it or loop it inside. But I realized the middle console will be bolted into place so the carpet won't go anywhere. Lifted the whole assembly and did the bottom part so the whole cockpit will sit on the carpet below it. And guys, if you like this tutorial, please like this video, it shows the algorithm I'm doing a good job, and subscribe for more sim racing content in the future. Wrap the little wooden pieces that goes under the seat and pull all the things together for just to make sure everything is lined the way it should. And now on the right side the process is the same, glue on the bottom and the sides, and make sure you don't use too much glue because it can go through the material. And just like that, in 3, 2, 1, done. Doing the side plates and finishing all the parts, bits and pieces to finalize the build. Since everything is done, now it's time to make it suitable for the inside of my future game / hangout room. Starting by placing the base, next comes the shifter, placing it on the spot, and make sure you pull out the cord so you don't need to disassemble later the whole thing. This comes from experience. Placing the middle console, bolting it into place. Next is the seat, bolting the top part where the screen should be sitting, side panels, back panels, and all the finishing touches. Now sit back and enjoy how I place everything together. And off to cleaning it to perfection. Since I don't have the screen for it, I'm not sure which size of screen I'll be running. I borrowed first this 32-inch TV. It's not bad, but we can make it better. It's time to play, baby. Handbrake is coming soon. I have bought it, but unfortunately it's not working. I tried to reach out to Amazon, but they won't do anything about it. Until then, I will be driving without it. If you reached the end of the video, thank you so much once again. Leave a like and sub for more sim racing content, and see you again in the next one.